This page will look a little bit different. The accepted job offer page from Xometry's job board will enable you to view all your job details along with your line item details. But additionally, you'll have this button at the top called Manage Job. When I select the Manage Job button, I'll be taken to the new Workcenter job overview page. A lot of the details on this page will look familiar. At the top, you'll be able to see your material received, production started, inspection started, shipping started, but you'll also see a progress bar enabling you to see where the job is in the process. So you can see the percentage that it's been complete, how many tasks I still have to complete, and also any updates to the job completion date. You'll also see all of your help sections at the top for any Xometry jobs. On this page, you'll also be able to see all your line items along with the individual workflows that are associated with each line item. I can either select into each line item in order to track statuses for each of these tasks, or I have the option to complete line items in a bulk action by selecting this check mark here. Let's open up this line item. In this line item, I'm able to see all of the tasks associated with producing this part. I'm able to update the due date. I'm also able to assign all of the tasks within this part to a specific user. I can also click on each individual task. So let's click on source materials. By selecting on an individual task, I have the ability to either track quantity by finishing all of the quantity for this particular line item, or I can split track. And what split track enables me to do is mark a certain number as completed, but also enable me to track scrap at the same time. I don't have to do this, however, I can actually just click finish all to update the quantity since this task only requires one quantity. So before we do that, let's mark the task status as in progress because this is a task we are currently working on. All right. Now, once I've completed the quantity, I can actually move this task to complete. And what that will do is complete all of the quantity for this particular task. When I go back to my line item, let's say I also completed source materials and production of parts as well. Now I'm on the inspect part step. So this step is currently in progress and it looks like I have 3 required tasks that I need to complete for this task. So if I navigate here, I'll have 3 required subtasks, including filling out a virtual QC, attaching part media, and also attaching an inspection report. What I can do is click on each of these individual components and drag and drop files directly into this action in order to complete this particular subtask. Once all of the required subtasks are complete, I can change this task status to complete. As you can see, we've been working on this particular job and you can see the progress right here at the top. So it says 50% complete, which means I've completed 6 tasks. I have 4 tasks currently in progress and I have 3 tasks currently to do. I can also select each individual line item to get a better idea of where that particular part is in the process. Once I have a unit ready to ship, all shipping processes should work the same, so you should be able to follow the same shipping process that you currently use for all your Xometry jobs. All right, so that's a little bit more about how you would be able to process a Xometry job.